Lights back on. Thank you.
Doesn't like me filming that. Seems to do it every time I turn my camera away.
Well, that's why I tell you, so you can try to sneak up on it.
Camera shy ghosts.
Apparently.
There's some flashing over here.
There you go.
Tip.
Oh yeah, it's flickering.
Yeah. Good flickering.
Grid's going in.
It's flickering up
That's
on
what wait.
the boiler.
It's glowing.
It's not even showing up in the camera anymore, it's too dim.
Yeah, it's flickering hardcore up there. Did you leave the room? Are you out in the boiler room now?
Come dance with me. What?
The flashlight just turned on.
As soon as you walk out of the room, like.
Sons of bitches.
Just once, can you turn the flashlight off when we're here with the camera? Just once, please.
There he goes, right out of the room. You can turn it off now.
I don't think they're gonna fall for that one.
They didn't fall for that one at all.
No.
It's like, I can see them.
Well, you can't see them.
Here, hold on, I'll hide behind my hat.
Yes, I did.
There is like shuffling out here.
Taylor, we don't like you.
Apparently not. Come dance with me, come on.
Alright, he's out. You can turn the flashlight off now.
Did it really? Are you serious? You gotta be shitting me.
Oh my gosh.
What
Huh?
the hell is going on out there? Oh, wow.
Oh.
What the fuck was that noise?
Oh.
Bird.
Holy buckets.
Is it cold? No.
What was that noise?
You heard it too?
It was like, or some shit like
Well,
that.
I kind of, because it was like this massive wave of ice cold air.
Oh,
Did you get it?
no. No, I guess maybe it was her who made the noise.
Oh, the flashlight turned back on. It was on the other side too.
Yeah.
I think they're having fun with this whole going in and out of the room thing.
Waiting for it.
I have a sense of humor.
Yeah, they're like, let's watch this little Mexican run back and forth.
Okay, flashlight off.
Mexican run. He's like, nope, he didn't get me. It's like, nope. You gotta go a little further into the room.
Flashlight off. You got it. Oh my gosh, I just got that massive chilling.
Hi, what?
I don't know.
That's awesome.
What is going on? Is
That's
he following
ridiculous.
you in here? Oh, you turned around!
Right as he turned his back.
It's a Mexican hat dance.
Are you threatening me?
Oh, why is it so cold? Can you feel that temperature difference in here? Alright, he's out of the room.
I don't know, I think I'm just being I'm moving around too much to feel differences.
Alright, he's out. Flashlight off.
You're not gonna do it now because they know we're setting them up.
There it
There it
is.
is. Before you got back in.
You know, it seemed like we got more action as soon as we turned the EVP off.
I noticed that, you know. Turn the recorder off and all of a sudden we got,
That happened upstairs too, didn't it?
yeah.
Look, Mateo, we're gonna have a session, but we're not gonna talk about it.
Okay,
You know what I'm saying?
I know what you're saying.
So, when are you gonna leave the room so
So cold.
the light will come on?
I'm gonna go ahead and,
There's nothing.
Are you gonna leave the
It's not-
room this time to see if I'll shut off the light?
I'll go ahead and, yeah,
It
let
just got
me
really dim in there again.
go ahead and go out here. Did it?
No.
Is that what it is?
Oh, there it goes.
Did you get it that time?
I didn't know.
I got it.
It's,
I was gonna say, I got
the
it
resident
once.
is laughing at you.
Oh, well, at least somebody got it.
I got it, yeah.
Oh, I got it. Just as I turned to it.
Thank
Do you almost feel like there's like a game of distraction going on?
Yes.
Yeah, yes.
Yes.
Because
I do.
every time his attention is taken from one place to the other, there's like this massive wave of cold that goes the opposite direction that he goes.
It's like they're.
When he goes,
It's like they're playing keep away or something,
I
or
don't know, like
tag, or
Fucking hot potato, man.
yeah.
something.
They're just playing. They're playing.
Yeah, just a game.
Yeah, it's a game. They're playing.
Turn them on, the grid's off. You can do it.
Turn that flashlight off. I dare you.
Are you having a good time
Oh,
messing with us?
did you see that? The whole entire top went out. It was just the top.
Wow. Yeah, that's cool. What?
She's holding me.
I'm like super freaked out right now.
Light back on.
Of course it is.
So you saw some kind of shadow stuff up high.
At first, the whole top part went out, and then right in the doorway, it blacked out just like a portion of it, like it was like somebody just.
Did you hear that noise?
It's like hissing. Am I the only one hearing that?
Yes, because I don't hear anything.
All I know is I got my hair staying on my arms big time.
Yeah, I can see that.
You see the hair on my arm?
Yeah.
Something's in here.
Yeah.
I mean, it's all over me. You know, you thought we
I
got.
can feel it in my back.
Spider webby.
Yes, yes, I'm feeling the spider web again on my back right now.
Do you see like all of the dust in
Yeah.
there?
Yeah. I feel it all over my back, and then I have this uncomfortable feeling in my left-hand side of somebody touching me.
Well, there doesn't seem to be anything behind you.
No, I heard like a tink over there, man.
I
Like something,
Where I'm at?
like something hit the table.
Yeah.
That's
I was freaked out. I wasn't in the middle. Like, seriously, that like really spooked me.
Holy crap! It's cold. This is what I did to you at Morse Mill too, when I had that cold spot. Like stuck with me, and then it followed me.
Because I can't see what freaked me out over there, so I like this.
Is there a draft coming in from there?
Not that I can tell.
It is.
That's what I kept saying. Like every time.
Okay, it's not really.
Can you turn the flashlight back on over there?
There's really no temperature difference, but it feels
I
cold.
keep hearing weird noises in that corner.
I've heard a couple of them.
I
See,
heard-
and we heard shuffling earlier in that room. You heard it a couple times.
You agree with me, there's something in that corner. I think there's more than one person in here. Cause I'm hearing some weird
Did
noises
that just go
over
there?
here.
I was just gonna say, is that a lot dimmer than
Oh yeah, that's big time dim.
Oh yeah, that was much brighter earlier.